Welcome to Model 5 Unit 4. In this video we are going from the already prepared view of the previous video. We are going to set the dimensions, like in the model done we are seeing now. Well, the first step is through the retrieve dimension, recover the dimension we have set in the 3D construction of the part. Well, you can see we have retrieved some dimensions, but some of them must be erased or modified. Well, with the select tool, we are going to make up the position of most of the dimensions that already are valid, like the distance between the central holes, the diameter of the whole central holes. We are going to set them in the front section view. We erase then the holes of the pattern. Also, we are going to erase. Okay, this dimension of 30, we have used it to make the pattern, but here is incorrect. We follow with the select tool. This is a correct dimension. This dimension of 30 also is incorrect. We erase it. And this dimension are correct. This dimension is in a correct place. And these two dimensions are both correct. We are going to begin with the section front view. We can leave this dimension here or in the other side. It's the same. Zoom in out. With the Smart Dimension tool, we establish the depth of the curved slot. With the Symmetric Diameter tool, we are going to set both the diameter. Note that between the two dimensions I have right-clicked to start with a new origin of the dimension. Well, we have already finished with the section front view. We follow with the top view. The next dimension we are going to set is the radius of the pattern of the holes, but with the value of radius, not the diameter. Radius 13. The radius of the slot also have to be set, and the width of the slot, but in this case with the distance between. If we get troubles selecting the points, we can change the place where we are taking the measurement. In this case, we change to this side. Also, the radius of the center line of the slot must be dimension of radius, while the length and the width of the slot also have to be dimensioned. We look at the final draft and we realize that we need to set the radius of the round in the top view. Now we have to make up and to change in some way some dimensions. All the tangent curved arcs in the slot and in the plate must be between brackets as reference mode. So we select all these dimensions and establish them like reference 1. Don't hesitate to make the zoom necessary to set the dimensions in a correct position. We fold the angular position, angular extension range of the pattern. So we are going to use the tool angle between this and this. Okay, we have 120 degrees of the whole dimension, and the standards says that this dimension have to be arranged the text in this way. the number of space, the extension of each space, and the global dimension between brackets. To do that, we select the dimension, and with the prefix tool, we write the prefix and suffix that make the dimension correct. Something similar we have to do with the linear dimension of the pattern of a straight slot, number of space by the extension of each space. We select 3 times 20, bracket equal. We have already finished the dimensioning of our view and the draft of our part completed.